Can you do this one, Nathan? Do this one. Stack this one too. Good job. Good job, buddy. Oh, watch your step. Come on, do it again. Can you do it again? Try again. Try again. Try again. Good job! Good job, Nathan. Yay! Good job, buddy. Try again. Yay! Good job! Good job, buddy. Yay! You did it! You did it, Nathan! Yay! You're so good at that now. You're so good at that. Whoa, 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 whoa. You alright, buddy? You alright? Now you know how to put things in the hole too? Why don't you try putting this in there? Here, put this in there. Yay! Good job! Good job, Nathan. Try again. Oh, you almost got it. You almost had it. You can do it, buddy. You've done it many a times. You're better when you use your right hand. You give up? You give up already? Don't give up. Come back. Nathan, keep trying. Keep trying. Come on, you can do it. Use your right hand instead, okay? You can use both hands if you want. Almost, buddy. Almost. Don't get frustrated. Yay! I told you you'd do it. I told you you could do it. Yay! Yay, buddy. Your left hand isn't as precise as your right hand, Nathan. Nathan, can you use your right hand? Use your right hand. You're much better with your right hand. There you go. Uh-oh, try again. Well, let me angle it this way for you. Almost. Keep at it. Practice makes perfect. Try doing your right hand again. You give up? You don't want to play anymore? Well, good job. Good job. I'm proud of you.